In this video, we will start to explore how we can use the drop-down list function in Excel together with VLOOKUP. And this will be fun because now we can play around more as we add more different functions together. But let me show you exactly, first of all, what we're going to do. So you can see here we have a list of items, the products with matching price. And what we want is a drop-down button here. We want to select the button or select the item, and whatever item we select, a matching price needs to be displayed. So for example, if I select espresso here, we should see here $3.50. So how can we do this? Well, we need two options, and let's start with them right away. First of all, we need to create a drop-down list. And a drop-down list is basically a list based with a drop-down button. So first, select the cell where you want to put or insert the drop-down button. In this case, it will be E number 3. This is the cell. All right. And then we are going to our data tab here. Select data. And once you are here, we select data validation. Select this and you will see a data validation pop-up jump up. And we can select here the validation criteria. In our case, what is the criteria? It will be a list of values. So that's the source. So we select here a list. So that's the criteria. And what is the source? In this case, that's this list here. So I will select this, click on that button, and then select all of these items here. As you can see, they are freeze into the cells. As you can see, the dollar signs here. All right, so we selected the right ones, enter, and confirm. So once we select OK, let's click our drop-down button here. You can see this is being displayed, and we have our options here, fraps. So what happens if I would change this to fraps with an S? You will see that now the new selection will be here. Of course, the one we selected will not change immediately, but the selection in here changes. All right, so now we have this. Let's show here, or let's figure out how we can get the cost with the VLOOKUP function. So to do this, we type in equal VLOOKUP, open parentheses, and then once we did that, I'll just click here, you'll see here a few options. Number one, the VLOOKUP value, the table array, the column index number, and the range lookup. All right, so what do we need? Well, very simple. First of all, we need the lookup value. So what's the lookup value? Whatever we select here should be searched in here. So we select this and comma, table array. So where is the value with the table or the table value? And in this case, this is our table. It consists of two columns, column 1 and column 2. So we selected that. We type in here comma. So we go to the next one, is the column index number. So we see the value is in the first column, which is correct. It should always be in the first column in a VLOOKUP. If not, you will get an error. And then in the second column, in our case, the price column, that is the column index number. So column 1, column 2, so number 2, that's the column index number, comma, and then it will say here, true or false. Well, don't use true unless you are looking for a range value. However, I have videos for that one, but most of the time, almost 90% of the time, you will use the false value, meaning exact match. So you can say false, or you can put in number 0 for false. Enter, and now you can see our cost is being displayed, or more specifically, the price of the product. And that is how we match our VLOOKUP with a drop-down. So if we select now coffee, now the price is being shown differently. You can see here $2.50. And if we select banana cake, you can see the price is consistently changing. So what happened if we change this to 7.77? This matches instantly. So this is very useful if, let's click one more time. This is very useful if you're going to create a dashboard where you can match them up together. So if you like these videos, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or are you struggling with this example, put your comment below and I'll make sure I'll follow up on you.